Do you know what happens with the plastic that we discard?
In the last 10 years, we have produced more plastic than in the last century.
Currently, we only recover 5% of the plastic we produce.
Every minute, a plastic garbage truck is poured into the oceans, which represents 10% of all the waste that we generate.
The plastic in the oceans is broken down into small segments, and the plastic parts of 1 liter bottle end up in every mile of the world's beaches. About 50% of the plastics produced annually end up in the ocean water.
It is estimated that every square meter of the ocean has around 400,000 microplastics.
As you can see, this is just the tip of the iceberg. If you thought that throwing the plastic into the garbage it would make it disappear, you are wrong. The plastic that a human discards is likely to end up in the ocean, affecting marine life. A large part of the plastics are not visible, and besides affecting animals, it also affects humans. But with the pass of the time, the plastic that we usually see is divided into small pieces and reduces its size, and they are called microplastics.
But more specifically, what is a microplastic? A microplastic is a small piece of plastic that have a diameter of less than 5 millimeters, and they are created by the degradation of plastic bottles, plastic bags, plastic cups, etc.
Many of these microplastics are used in personal beauty and hygiene products, such as shampoo, soap, scrubs, moisturizers, toners, antibacterial gels, mascara, blush, foundation, nail polish, lipsticks, eyeliners, etc.
As if it wasn't enough, we can also find plastics in our food. Why? Very simple. When the microplastics arrive to the oceans, it is like a virus that spreads. The food chain is affected because the marine life consume it accidentally and the plastic stays in their organisms, having as a consequence that if an animal consumes another animal, its body will be contaminated, and that is how it works progressively until it ends in our plate. We must stop. As you can see, we're destroying ourselves, our environment, the ecosystems, the animals, living things, everything caused by our ignorance. We must start by now and take actions. So that's why we invite you to be part of the cause DCP. Get informed, share, and start by yourself. If you want to learn more information on how to be part of the change, visit our website and social media.